Hello, everyone. This is Ms. Gutsells speaking for Ms. Gutsells Guide to Growing in Technology. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add a signature to any email you send out from your Gmail account. With that being said, you will need to be signed into your Gmail account in order to create this particular setting. You would then go to the upper right-hand corner where the gear icon is and left-click on it. From there, a little pop-up box will appear. You'll need to left-click on Settings one more time. Under the General tab, you will then scroll down to the section where the signature is listed. To add a signature, you merely have to left-click into the box so that the cursor blinks, and then you can write your preferred name or preferred title. Alternatively, you can add in other information to the signature, such as this email is intended only for the recipients. There is then another option that you can have for your email signature. Specifically, insert this signature before quoted text and replies and remove the -- line that precedes it. So when I click on this option, and if I scroll down to the bottom of my settings and click Save Changes, now what will happen is when I compose an email, my signature will appear in simply this fashion in the main text. If I don't like this particular setting, what I can do is I can go back to my settings. I can click on Settings again, and if I scroll down to my signature section again, I can unclick the box. I can then click Save Changes. I can click Compose for a new email, and now my signature will appear below these dashed lines. So it really is your preference when it comes to setting up your signature. Otherwise, that is how you can create an automated fill out for your signature when using Gmail. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I look forward to teaching you more about technology in the next tutorials. Thank you.